A visionary physicist whose work bridges nuclear and high-energy particle physics, Dr. Michael Lisa explores the origins of our universe, recreating conditions just moments after the Big Bang through high-speed atomic collisions.
What I found special about Ohio State is at least two things. The support among the faculty has been tremendous, and no way could I make progress without them. The other one is the quality of the students here. Probably the most rewarding part of my job is taking very difficult, very interesting scientific questions, presenting them to very intelligent young minds to understand something that nobody has understood before. And this goes for graduate students, undergraduates. So this is a fantastic opportunity for me, for them, and I think it does benefit everybody.
An internationally recognized scholar, scientific leader, and deeply committed mentor, Dr. Lisa has inspired countless Ohio State students. His career exemplifies excellence in discovery, education, and service, and we thank him for the curiosity, brilliance, and heart he brings to the university community.